Welcome back to NotReelFishing, everybody, and today we are fishing the other pond as promised in Thursday's video. Now, if you guys enjoyed that video, and hopefully you're gonna enjoy this one, please hit subscribe. Really help me out. I'm trying to get this YouTube thing so I can do it more often. And the only way I can do that is with more subscribers and with more likes and comments. So don't forget to do so. Frog just jumped in. So we're gonna start on this one, and we're gonna start on this side. I do know there's a big old branch that I gotta watch out for, because we want to fish that drainage outing that's on this side. Now this side is the deeper of the two ponds, so we're gonna start, I mean this pond is the deeper of the two, not this side, but just in general this is the deep pond. I really want to fish over by that rock wall. Just want to give a few casts here. As I said earlier, I've only got about, well actually I didn't say that earlier, and I've only got about 30 minutes to fish. We got a little something. Oh, we had a little something. We let go of it. As I was saying, I've only got about 30 minutes to fish here because I've got to head off to work. But yeah. I do know there's something absolutely massive in this pond. That's a nice size fish, whatever this is. Feels like another little, feels like a green sunfish. Not too big, not too small. I just don't ever get tired of looking at these fish. They're so pretty. I mean, just all the greens and these fins. I mean, they're absolutely beautiful fish. Yeah, I'm gonna let you go. Alright, man, why do I gotta be so rude? Alright, I'm gonna actually go ahead and go to the back side of this pond and work my way forward, because I've always wanted to fish, because when I came out here the other night, which would have been Monday or Tuesday, I'd fished this side that we're on now. And I'm always seeing big swirls back here on this side when I walk the dog. And I'm just curious. There's also a rock wall that runs through the middle. I kind of want to fish along that structure to see if there's anything, you know, big. I do want to fish the mouth of that opening as well. Not that I have anything against fishing the other side. I just want to start here. A little something. It's like another little green sunfish. Man, you choked it, little dude. Am I gonna need the car key? I think so. Here we go, guys. Massive one. Biggest one of the day. Biggest fish on the channel, besides that bluegill we caught. Go, go, go. Oh, fine. Let me help him out a little bit. There you go. There you go, little dude. Couldn't get past the grass. He wasn't strong enough. Had to help him out. Got a little guy. Oh. Hopped off the hook. Cute little booger. I'll let him go too. I'll toss him just a little bit because it's really shallow. I just saw the big ripples again out towards the middle. That's what I want to get. There's something big in here. I just can't get him to bite yet. Might actually need to go to the other side to reach where he's at now, but I don't want to. I only got 5 minutes. Got something nice here, guys. Am I snagged? I think you got me snagged on something. Yep. Snagged on a piece of grass. Wow, that's a nice sized green sunfish there. Look at the size of that big old boy. It's fat. Still not the monster that's out there, but he's still fat. I'm gonna let him go. Throw the pond mat back in. I am almost out of time here, guys, but I'll try for a few more minutes. What I might do is run to the other side real quick. We'll do 1 or 2 more casts and well, actually no, something's moving right in front of us, so I'm gonna. Oh, there's the alarm. Tangled my line all up, didn't you, bud? Really wanted to get one more. There's a lot of minnows in this pond too. We might revisit these ponds again in the future, since they are literally right in front of my house. Which means if you know where these ponds are, you know where I live now. And yeah. Man, I just want to get one more. Well guys, I really do gotta call it or I'm gonna be late for work. So yeah, like I said, like, comment, share, subscribe. And most importantly, don't forget to take it easy. Come on, fish, thought you were gonna bite it for me right when I said that. But no, you won't be difficult.